Yo, what's up guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to make 3 thumbnails and logos. So you want to go onto Fonto and you just want to swipe up, click on the camera, and you just want to go on plain image. Once you're on there, you can click to any of the white or black one, don't matter. I'm going to change my colour to red though. So I'm going to make that as bright as possible. Then you just want to click apply, I think, and use. I can't really see because I'm editing at the moment. But then you want to go on to add the image, all photos, and click whatever one you want. I'm using an iPhone for this. Then I'm going to add text. I'm going to put there we go, how to create 3 thumbnails for iOS. So I'm just going to muck about with this, see where to put everything, you know, how to arrange everything, change the colours, because I know black does go quite well with red. That's probably not where I'm going to keep it. I'm probably going to add some other stuff to it. I don't know yet. Let's just see where this goes. But yeah, as I said, just going to muck around with it. Also, about the merch, they're trying to say that I had a copyright issue with my logo, so I actually used this app to create my new channel logo and my merch logo. I'll be leaving a link in the description to buy their unisex t-shirt. I do recommend you go buy it. It's quite good. I spent quite a while doing that, but sorry about that, I got a cough. But yeah, as you can see, I've added like a speech bubble to make it look like the iPhone's talking. So then I'm probably actually gonna upload this tomorrow because the time I'm filming this is like 3 in the morning. But yeah, I'm probably gonna move that how to create 3 thumbnails for iOS down to the bottom and muck about with the speech bubble and the iPhone. But yeah, I'm gonna try. That don't seem like it's working, but there we go. Colour, I'm gonna put this as white, and I'm gonna add some text. Wait, can I add it here? No, don't think so. Yes, I'm just gonna add some normal text. Where is it? There we go. I'm just gonna put, yep, it works. There we go. So I'm just gonna size this and put it in the speech bubble. By the way, guys, this is the thumbnail for this video, so I'm not sure if you want me to do a logo one separately, like my channel logo. Does that fit? No, yeah, I'll probably not. If I move that a bit, and put that there. And move off one a bit, yeah, make it look normal. Move that there, and put, yep, it works in the speech bubble. Can I move it from? No, I just have to move it normally. But yeah, this is what I'm probably gonna use my thumbnail. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna use it. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did, remember to like and subscribe.